To restore deleted messages from iCloud backup, you must have a backup from the time when you deleted a text message. Although no one mulls over the consequence which losing a text message might invite, but a lot of iPhone users, like any other smartphone user, use text messages chat boxes as notebooks and store crucial information there. Considering that you're one of the people we're talking about who save valuable information inside text messages and lost it while freeing up device storage or by any mishap, fret not at first place, as Gadinsider is here with a workaround that will definitely help you in retrieving those messages back. The aforementioned solution is attainable using a couple of methods that we will reflect on below. Read more. Ways to recover deleted messages on iPhone. Recover deleted messages from recently deleted. This feasibility to recover your deleted messages on an iPhone was first offered with the iOS 16 and iPadOS 1.6.1. The only limitation you might encounter is that you can do so within the period of 30 days, and if failed, you won't be able to recover deleted text messages on your iPhone. Steps to follow to recover deleted messages from recently deleted. Open Messages. Tap on Filters top left. Tap on Recently Deleted. You will find messages that were deleted in the past 30 days here. To recover one, tap on it. Now tap on Recover, and that message will move back into your conversation list. Recover deleted messages on iPhone from iCloud Backup. iCloud Backup is the second best option you should opt for if 30 days have passed and there's no chance of getting your deleted text messages back on your iPhone. Note that the only way to retrieve deleted messages on an iPhone through an iCloud backup is that you must have a backup from the time when you deleted a text message. Moreover, when you'll restore any iCloud backup from past, you will lose everything you saved since then on your device. Follow the following steps to recover deleted messages using iCloud Backup. Head to Settings. Tap on your Apple Idaho card at the top. Select iCloud. Now choose Manage Storage and then Backups. Opt for the right backup. Now you'll have to reset your iPhone to factory settings and set it up again in order to restore from your iCloud backup during the process. To reset your iPhone, go to General Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings.